Vulcano-class logistic support ship. Vulcano is an auxiliary ship that entered service with the Italian Navy on 12 March 2021. She is designed to support fleet operations with fuel and dry stores. Along with another future sister ship, she is expected to replace the replenishment oiler's AOR Stromboli-class replenishment oiler. Vulcano was financed under the 2014 Naval Law for EUR 346 million, then increased to EUR 374.6 million when the length was extended by 12 meters, 39 ft. A second vessel was ordered in January 2022 for projected delivery in 2025. The Navy also has an option for a third ship of the class. The French Navy, through OCCAR, ordered 4 modified ships of the class to replace its Durance-class tankers to be delivered in 2023, 2025, 2027, and 2029. The program is known as the Bâtiment ravitailleur de forces BRF. France officially joined the program in October 2018. The French BRF ships will be 1 meter 3 ft3 and longer at 194 and 636 ft6 in and 31,000 tons full load displacement compared to 27,200 tons, reflecting the French fleet's greater need for aviation fuel. Design and construction. Vulcano is being built by Fincantieri's hull number 6000. The stern section is being built at the Ravitailleur Naval Shipyard. On the night of 22/23 July 2018, a fire broke out on the ship's stern superstructure. Vulcano is designed as a support ship able to supply a large naval squadron at sea. As such, she has the capability to refuel ships, produce fresh water, carry cargo, hospital NATO Role 2 LM, conduct repairs at sea with integrated maintenance workshops. She has a cargo capacity of up to 15,500 t, of which at least 7.657.564 long tons plus 9,003 of NATO F-76 diesel fuel, 3.240 t 3.189 long tons plus 4,003 of NATO F-44/J-5 aviation fuel, 830 t 820 long tons of freshwater, 220 t 220 long tons of ammunitions, 40 t 39 long tons of meals, 30,000 food rations, 3 and 3 of gasoline in barrels, 15 t 15 long tons of lubricant in barrels, snurls, 20 t 20 long tons of solid goods, up to 8x sea standard containers, 28 t 28 long tons each one. Ships of the class.